Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.5, Problem 3. This is Section 2.5, Problem 3. It says divide the fractions 6/15 divided by 3/10. So, when you divide fractions, what you do is you leave the first fraction the same, change the problem to a multiplication, and invert the second fraction, or just flip it. So the 3/10 flips to a 10/3, so it becomes 6/15 times 10/3. And now you can multiply across the top and across the bottom, and then reduce at the end. Now, and that would give you the right answer. In this case, where the numbers get a little bit bigger, it makes sense to what you call pre-reduce. So notice the 6 on the top can reduce with the 3. So 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. That'll help. And then the 10 and the 15 will also reduce. They reduce by 5. 5 goes into 10 twice, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. So now when you do top times top, or numerator times numerator, I've reduced it to 2 times 2, which is 4, and then denominator times denominator, 3 times 1, which is 3. This is the same result I would get if I did 60 times 10 over 15 times 3 and then reduced it. Now, this 4/3 is an improper fraction. Depending on how the directions are stated, you may be able to leave it like this, with the numerator being a little larger than the denominator. Or if you have to put it back to a mixed number, what you would want to do is do 3 divides into 4 how many times? 3 goes into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. The remainder is your new numerator, and what was the denominator, the 3, stays the denominator. So the answer can be written as 4/3, or if you prefer, 1 1/3.